Wow, what a day! You know what? It's July 1st, Canada Day, and there is a lot of great news of this day today. First of all, happy Canada Day, everyone. And beautiful day, 31 degree, sunshine, and green lush valley right in the front of me. I'm in the town of Milton. You know what? What's the great news every time when we're getting this update in our Tesla? So we think that we got a new car coming from the showroom with the new functionality inside. Let's enjoy that one. And sometimes we have no idea what is coming up this new. So this video is particularly for our last night update. So let's see what we got it here. Before we get into the car, we are going to let you know that the both car has a little difference here. This is Model X, which has an autopilot enhancement. And this car has a full self-driving option inside. So let me get into the autopilot car Model X. So let's see what we got here. All right. So the latest and greatest version on July 1st, we got here. It's version 2020.24.6.1. So what it says the release notes here. Oh wow! So we got the backup camera improvement. In this backup camera improvement, we do have it that the streaming coming from our side camera. So I'm just clicking application launcher. We'll go to the camera, and this is our reverse assistance. When we click that one, so we do have the camera on both sides. Before we were getting hardly 180 degree view. Now we have on the side camera. The alternative is this, that if we reverse it, it automatically triggers side. So great, amazing safety features. I love it that. Let's move it now. What we got more? Let's go here. Ooh, the dash view improvement. What does it mean by that? Let's go and see that. What does it mean? So I'm gonna start this camera here, and I'm gonna start the launch viewer. Now you see this car is streaming while it is driving. If anything happened to the car, so we have all the images. This is our side camera, this is our front camera, and this is over on the left side, and this is our rear camera. And you can see the car is backing up now, and the car will go here to the left side, how it look like. Okay, now the car is parked right now here. So this is the left side, the car is parked, and it's keep recording while it's parked. But we are not interested to see what happened in all those ones. This red dot will help us where the sanitary mode basically trigger and what happened at that moment. So you don't need to play back or fast forward, maybe you skip anything. So you can see closely, I'm swiping it that one near to the red dot. Here you go. Now you see, I'm reaching to the red dot, it's here. Means some people came there near to my car, another car was parked. They are trying to open this one. Let's see if they are coming carefully into their car or really they are trying to hit it. I can see very closely. Ooh, almost is touching my car, and I can go and check it out. We just saw that on the dash viewer improvement is really is gonna help us now. So the next one is a TuneIn improvement. Now it's time to see what's an improvement in the Intunes. So let's see, one of the things they are saying the playback speed of the podcast. So I am going to the entertainment area. This is my entertainment. And then I'm going to click on Intune things. When I click on the Intune, I have a podcast. Now we do have a much better, I can see a lot of things out there. You can play back the way you want. Let's see what we got. Wow, so every podcast with the date and time, and you can play back
This
like a
message
playlist.
is from the PR sponsor.
So you can see here,
This message comes from the PR sponsor.
very fast, very
Since
amazing.
1970.
Walk away door lock improvement. According to this one, now we do have an option to disable walk away door lock when your car is parked at home. So it's not necessary this is good fit for everyone. In my scenario, normally sometimes I park my car outside the garage or the driveway, and definitely I wanted to keep it enabled for much better security, and I don't want to disable that one there. But maybe this is good fit for the other people. Now you can go and change your language to Portuguese. That will go this one, control, display, and let's see in the language what we got. Just here is Portuguese. Okay, now you see all the instruction, and now it's changing it this one. So I can see here, yeah, there is a language, some change I can see. Portuguese friends, you got the language there also. There was a gap, now it has been added. Going back again to my language, so I go to the setting. Now I can change my language here back to English. But I know I'm back to the English now. This was our version 2020.24.6.1 on Model X with the autopilot enhancement features inside. Keep it in mind, not fully self-driving. So let's go back to the other car. We will see what is the difference here and the full self-driving car. Now we are in Model 3, Tesla Model 3 with the full self-driving options here. Let's see what we got the last night here. Alright, here. Okay, the version in this car is a little different than my Model X. My Model X has a 2020.24.6.1 and this is 2020.24.6.3. I'm gonna click that release note. The traffic light and the stop sign control. What does it mean by this one? So we'll go for the demo for this. Before we go for a demo, the backup camera improvement. You can see when you click the reverse here, triggers on the reverse side, I can see on my side camera here too, like Model X. I don't need to basically show you in more detail as I have given you already today. So let's go for a driving to see the red light and green light demo. Now you can see that one, the car is right in the front of me. Now it's a yellow turn on, it shows red. So it's a perfect example, even the car is in the front of me, but it did stop on the red lights. So yellow, green, and red, so car stopped. So let's see another scenario. Now it's time to record the things. There is a green lights there in the front of me, and there is a car right in the front of me, and you can see this green here, I don't need to touch anything, and car is keep going. Now the next light is coming, which is a green also. Alright, the car is not stopping. You see there is a line is called green, red, green lights here, green light here, and the car is keep going. I don't need to do this in my fields here, I'm not touching anything. I hope that you did enjoy. This is a new release of Tesla Model 3, July 1st in Canada. Stay healthy, stay tuned. Till next time, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time.